In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print save as PDF on QuickBooks 2026, step by step. If you need clean shareable copies of your QuickBooks transactions, saving them as PDFs is the fastest and most reliable way. This walkthrough works for invoices, sales receipts, estimates, checks, and bills. I'll show you exactly where to click, what to look for, and a few handy tips to keep everything organized. Start by opening the transaction you want to save. For invoices, sales receipts, and estimates, go to Sales, then All Sales. For bills and checks, head to Expenses. Use the search bar or filters if you have a long list. Once you find the item, click it to open the full transaction. Take a quick glance to confirm the details are correct, customer or vendor, date, amounts, and any memo, so your PDF reflects exactly what you intend to share or archive. Next, look toward the bottom of the transaction and click Print or Preview. This opens a formatted view of the document. Think of this as your last chance to confirm how it will appear on paper or as a PDF. Check that your company info and logo look right, the layout fits on the page, and totals are clear. If you spot something off, close the preview, make the correction, and come right back. When the print window opens, choose the destination called Save as PDF. This setting tells your browser to generate a PDF file instead of sending the document to a physical printer. Click Save, then pick a location on your computer where you'll find it later. A dedicated folder for QuickBooks PDFs, organized by year, month, or client, can save you time down the road. Give the file a clear name, like the customer or vendor and the transaction number, then click. Save again to finalize. Your file is now saved as a PDF. It's a good idea to open it once to confirm everything looks right and the pages are not cut off. If you don't immediately see Save as PDF in the destination list, look for your System Print dialog and choose the built-in PDF option there. Most modern browsers and operating systems include this feature by default. That's all there is to it. Open the transaction, preview it, and save it as a PDF. Use the same process for invoices, receipts, estimates, checks, and bills, and you'll have consistent, professional documents ready to email, store, or print whenever you need them.